Number one, the most shortest squeeze stocks on Reddit, which is AVCT. After that, we have APRN and BBBY and the other stocks. Let's discuss where the price will jump to, because it's testing our breakout zone or the resistance, where we're going to see a massive volatility back again for AVCT and the other stocks, testing another support. So let's build our strategy. All you need to know to make some profit. There's something interesting happening. Broke out from this triangle and test for the 0.2322. Look what's happened. The moment that we broke out from this triangle, that was a good sign. However, I was waiting for breaking for this resistance, the 0.2322, which met with massive short. That's why we have a wick and the price went down. Still, we have price to hold, which is above this EMA. Let me just go in big picture. You see it clearly that we have a huge wick. So what's the game plan? The game plan, again, we need to hold at least above the 0.21 and retest the 0.2322, and here we're gonna get our breakout to go to the first profit taken, almost 10% profit around the 0.26 cent. Then we have the 30 cent, then the 34 cent. So this is the profit taken for AVCT the moment that we break this resistance. Let me just go very quick for the most volume gainer stocks. We have AMD testing in an important resistance as well around the $77. Here, this is a really important level for AMD to enter another jump again and volatility back after this gap that we did around the 13th of September. You see here, the moment that we did this gap down and the short came in, the price went below and we didn't even have a test around the 77. Now there's a potential for retest. If we get rejected, just wait for it. The 72 would be a nice bottom to buy. If we broke from the 77, we're gonna get filling the gap around the 81, then around the 85. Let me just calculate how much we can do in this one. Yeah, around the 4% and the 7%. Want to load up on the blue chip company like Apple and the other stocks, you can with Momo, because now you can get up to 15 free stocks value 2,000. When you open an account, you get one stock. If you deposit $100, you get 5 stocks, and if you deposit 2,000, you get 15 stocks in total. So what you're waiting for? Get your free stock. My exclusive link in comment section below, or notification will pop up here, will take you directly to open an account with Momo. Let me just check. We have the second now on the list for the most shortest squeeze stock on Reddit, which is APRN. Let me just go back to our stocks. Here, APRN visiting an important support. Look what's going on. Last time we visited this support around the $4.79, we get almost triple bottom, and every time we test, boom, we have a crazy volume until the $8. Now what's going on? We get rejected, of course, near the $8.87. The price went parabolically down, really crazy down, 36%. That's why I suggest always take your profit on the way. So what's the game plan? The game plan pretty simple and straightforward. We need to hold above the $4 for APRN, $4.70, and breaking this resistance around our MA. You see it clearly, the blue line here, the $5.50 is acting as a resistance. The moment that we broke this AMA before, it was around the 2nd of September or the 6th of September, and you see what happened? The price crazy went down 44%. Now we want the same reaction around this area, the $5.40, and when we get this volatility and breaking this AMA, this will give us profit taking first around the $6.26, then the $7.37. Of course, the squeeze area for APRN is still located around the $8.87. The next stock we're gonna talk about is RVPH. Let me just check what's going on with this stock. Of course, we got an important support around the $2.08. You look here, the conjunction area. We have a huge accumulation for the price action. The breakout happened around this circle that we talked about before, because we break in a critical ascending line. show that a huge market maker bought around this area and the price exploded. Now the price is held above the $2. So the $2 is the technical important level to show us that the price have a potential to go over the $3. So the $3 will be the first signal for squeeze and going toward the $3.90. And here we get a bit of rejection and pullback. So I suggest to take profit until we have a confirmation for a breakout and holding above the $3.90. We're gonna get the $5.97. For fundamentally wise, we have a kind of good fundamental for the last earning. We have just one bad earning last of May, but after that we have really good earning around the 16th of August. The moment that we have the good earning and revenue, we got reversal in the trend, and the price went in the kind of the first signal for a bullish trend. The next up we have BBBY. We didn't test the 1470 unfortunately because the EMA is still acting as resistant, and now we forming ascending line and higher lows. This is kind of bearish. That's why we have 3 tests for BBBY. You see it here, 1, 2, 3, and the price went down. Now the bottom around the $6.50. This is a big warning sign for BBBY if closed below the $6.50. Any price above it is mean we accumulate until we get the breakout from this ascending line and this AMA. The idea is now waiting until we have a breakout until the $10 again and holding above the $10. This will show us the strength of the bull, and the price next time will test and do double top around the 1470. So what I suggest, you have to have alert around the $9.50. The $10 is the breakout, but the pre-signaling is around the $9.50 for BBBY. Just watch out for this price action movement because it will happen pretty soon. Because sometimes the stocks jump when you actually least expect it. What I suggest, always put alert, leave them be, forget about them, and then when the price hit our price action or alert, we hunt for those stocks. This is our strategy here on our hunter tribe. If you're new here, we always do alert for a lot of stocks regarding where you enter, where you exit. At the same time, we discuss cryptocurrency as well. So hit the notification and the like button so you never miss any of my future update, and even the live streaming that we do weekly on Friday, where we answer all your questions regarding stocks. And if you want to request a stock pre-market, of course we do it daily on our Patreon and Discord. See you in the next update.